Oh shit. Whoa. Eh. Wacha nikuwe na wasalimia. Ngoje. You're good? Na feel baridi. Niko sawa. Wacha nagojea tufike around 60 there or about. Tuanze. And wala. Naanza kupata homa. Tufike around 60 people hapo. Tuanze. Is it me who is feeling extremely cold hapa kuna baridi? Karibuni. Nimekaa without kukuja live video. Sifai kupoteanga hivyo. Sasa Njoki. Neema, how are you? Diongo, how are you? Good to see you too. Ngopo. Hi madam, Mark sasa. So, mnataka tuanze na nini? Forex ama volatility? Forex iko na pesa. Oh, nitaonyesha. But nitawagetia ya entries zingine. But Forex iko na domo. You're good. What do you want me to start with? Forex or volatility? We're going to start na Forex ama volatility. We do Forex, we go to Forex, we're going to do major currencies, right? We're going to look at gold, pound USD, euro USD, AUDUSD, and dollar index. We're only going to look at 5. Tukijua venye hizo 5 zinafanya, we fully know kwenye soko inaenda. You know, AUDUSD dictates for 8 pairs, euro USD dictate for 3 pairs, pound USD dictate for 2 pairs. Dollar index ni yenyewe huonyeshana power ya dollar overall the markets. So I'm asking, we start with Forex. Card chef, but I will check in a few. Volatility, gold, Forex. Now, we do this, the first 30 minutes. See 30 minutes, the first few minutes, kwa sababu mimi hufanya Forex analysis haraka. I will need to record. You don't need to record. I will leave the video here for anyone who is for anyone who need to watch it. I will leave the video here. Now, I will start with Forex first. We get done with Forex. It's C-Mob. My analysis to anyone who has ever been there, I do not have those big analysis, mingi sana. But Forex right now is, let me say it's good. I don't know why I haven't been giving a lot of trades, but we go first. We start with Forex first. So, for those who don't know, for us to we're gonna come to volatility in a few, my darlings. Kidogo too. In a few, we're gonna come back to volatility. I'm gonna make sure we do both sides. Today, I'm in the mood to do analysis in haraka. Now, we're gonna first start with Forex. And when you're to answer Forex, the first thing we look for, or the first pair we analyze before we analyze the market, is USD index. We need to look at the dollar index before we look at the gold, euro USD, pound USD first. Tujue dollar index kwenye inaelekea. Tukijua kwenye dollar index inaelekea, we're gonna know where euro USD, pound USD, and AUDUSD are heading to. Is that okay? So at first we're gonna start, the first pair we're gonna start with, when I start doing analysis, the first pair I analyze is the dollar index. The dollar index usually shows how the dollar is behaving in the whole market, all right? So let me start, because I don't want to waste a lot of time, and already mshaingia watu wengi. So I think the number is good for us to start, right? So this is how I let me just start. Now, this is the dollar index. This is the chart for the dollar index from This is a dollar index from 2000. We start analysis. Anyone who is new here, because I've seen some people who are new to my work, sorry, I don't know if my, yes, now it's I think it's clear. Now we're gonna start with the dollar index. The dollar index looks like this. Our market look like this. So the first thing I'm gonna draw, and we are on monthly. The first thing I'm gonna draw, the market came from this area and then dropped, then went up. The first thing I'm going to draw is a channel, and this is how you draw a channel. A channel has one side has 3 dots, 1, 2, 3, and then the other side of the channel usually has 1 dot. Are we together up to there? This side of the market, this one. Now, when you come to drawing a channel in Forex, you don't draw this yenye iko na dot tatu to the side which the market is. You draw it the other side, which the market is not forming. Now, you have that at first. We draw a channel. We draw a channel. Let me draw it well. Sorry, let me draw it well so that people can see. I have something like that. And to what you can see, our market originated on the upper side, then it's on a channel, and this is monthly. This is on monthly. Now we go to weekly candlestick. We go to the next time frame is weekly. Our market inakaa hivi. Ilitoka juu, consolidated. Sorry for that. Our market ilitoka juu, consolidated at this area. Now, this is what we have. This is on weekly. This is what we have. We're going to draw another channel. Let me draw for you another channel. Our market is forming on the lower side. So a channel, when it comes to Forex, you never draw the 3 dots where the market is. I repeat that. You never draw a channel. The 3 dots should never be where the market is forming. Our market is forming on the lower side. So the 3 dots should be on the upper side of the market. So then this is what we have. And then you bring this one on the lower side. Now, what do we have? What do we have? Our market originated from the upper side, consolidated. We have a bearish flag. This is called a bearish flag. What do you do with a bearish flag? You measure distance X. That is the distance the market is supposed to fall. Because already our market, ili break, you see the bearish flag. Originated from the upper side, we have a bearish flag. Broke, did a retest. The market is supposed to drop down distance X of the bearish flag. You measure the bearish flag, this one. And this is dollar index for anyone who is asking. So dollar index is showing a sell. And look at the sell, how perfect it is going to our channel. Yenye tulichora ya kwanza. So dollar index is supposed to drop up to this area. Let me show you. Dollar index is supposed to drop up to this area. Oh, sorry. I messed up. Kidogo tu. I messed up my other channel. I need to fix it. It has moved. It has moved. Let me draw it again. Sorry. It has moved. My first channel, the one I drew on monthly, it has moved. So I need to, let me fix it. 1 minute. 1 minute. There we have a bearish flag. And then we have, that is on monthly. Let me tap it so that it doesn't move again. And then we go to weekly. I've said this, our market originated on the upper side. This is one candlestick representing 1 week. This is a bearish flag. Waka break, they did a retest. You measure distant X. Distant X is this one. Meaning, and from now on, the market is supposed to drop up to here. And that is it. That market should drop up to here. It's supposed to drop up to this area, 91.84. And that's it. We go to daytime frame. Let me see what you have on daytime frame. Daytime frame, I do not see anything we had here. So, in short, already just analyzing that and seeing dollar index is on sale, and it will continue to go on sale until 91. We have seen it's going to go down up to 91.84 because it has a bearish flag. That is dollar index. It has a bearish flag. It's supposed to go that distance on the lower side, right? So if you have seen dollar index will go on sale, that mean to me that Euro USD, Pound USD, and AUDUSD will go on buy. But let's see which patterns Euro USD and Pound USD have. All we have right now is that the dollar index is going to drop because we have seen it has a bearish flag. I think I have explained that. To anyone who is new, let me show. This is on daytime frame. So our market is supposed to come up to this one, 91.81, right? So, higher. That is on daytime frame. I do not think I have anything else to record because we have this. This is a bearish flag. Our market broke, did a retest. Now market is supposed to go the distance of the flag on the lower side. And that is dollar index. Now we go to Euro USD, because if the dollar index is like that, Euro USD should be going on buy. And to already what I can see, Euro USD is going on buy, and a very good buy by that matter. So this is how we analyze Euro USD. We start from monthly. I'm gonna start from monthly. Euro USD, I'm going to start from monthly. And the first thing I'm going to do, my analysis is usually very simple. I'm going to place there a resistance. And down here, I'm going to do a support. So our market is consolidating like that. So this is Euro USD. So on monthly, do you have anything to draw? Yes, I do have something to draw. I'm going to draw a line from the highest position of the market to our second position. Our highest position is here. Our highest position on this market is here. And our second position is here. Our second position is here. All right? Our first position is there. Our second highest position is here. And you can see, and as you can see, our market did break that area. And they did a retest. Let's go to weekly and see. Yeah. Even on weekly inaonyeshana. Wali break your trend line, they did a retest. Now, that's a side. Our market originated from the lower side, went up, consolidated here. I'm going to draw a channel. That's all I'm going to draw. I'm going to draw a channel. Our market is forming on the upper side. I'm going to draw our channel with 3 dots on the lower side of the market, right? And this is how you draw it. That's a channel from there up to there. And then you bring the market on the upper side. Now, let me even remove this trend line. Let me show you something. Our market originated from the lower side, came and got into this is what? This is a flag. This is a flag. Waka break, wakafanya retest. They're supposed to go this distance on the upper side of Euro USD, and that's it. This is the distance Euro USD is supposed to come on the upper side, and we are past halfway, by the way, for that matter. Euro USD is supposed to come up to here. That is the distance the market is going on the upper side. A bullish flag, and this is on weekly. We are past halfway, and we are coming to 1.2099. 1.20955. That is the distance our flag, our bullish flag inafika. Tumetoka side ya chini, market yetu kaingia kwa bullish flag. Ika consolidate, the market consolidated, broke on the upper side, went back, did a retest. Now our market is supposed to go up. That is Euro USD. It's showing a buy. And that is on, and we saw on the dollar index when we were starting, the dollar index has a bearish flag. This one has a bullish flag. So they're going opposite. USD index USD index and Euro USD go opposite direction. Now Euro USD is like that. We go to pound USD and then I will finish with gold. Pound USD is just easy. Hata kufanya hii analysis yake is just me wasting a lot of time, but let me do it. Pound USD is like that. This is pound USD. Simple things I usually do. I draw resistance. I draw support. Now our market went up here. Let me put it good boy. Kuja hapa katikati. Our market went up here and consolidated along this area. So I'm gonna do this. This is on monthly candlestick on pound USD. I'm gonna place a support and then I'm gonna place a resistance here. Support here, a support there, and resistance here. Then I'm going to go to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is simple as ABCD. Which pattern is this? This one. This is a cup and handle pattern. What usually happens with a cup and handle pattern? When the market breaks the upper side, we usually go the distance of the cup. This is a cup, and this is the handle. Now, let me show you. Even if you don't know about the cup and handle, our market originated from the lower side, consolidated here. Measure this distance. I will send all this setup on Madam Forex Telegram for anyone who wants to see. So this is the distance. Our market is supposed to go there. While it break, they did a retest. The market is supposed to proceed up. So pound USD is supposed to come up to this area. Pound USD is supposed to proceed up to 1.46325. Why? It has a cup and handle. You can see even the cup and handle perfectly on day time frame. Let me go on day. I think on day it's a bit better. Let me see. Now it's a bit manipulated. Here it's a bit manipulated. They manipulated along here because you see this level. The market has broken that level with the body, so it's a bit manipulated on weekly, but on not on weekly, on daytime frame, but on weekly it's perfect because we originated from the lower side. Our market consolidated here. They broke on the upper side. The market broke, did a retest, so it's supposed to proceed up. Pound USD is showing a buy. All right. Which other pair am I supposed to cover on? We go to daytime frame. You see even daytime frame, because of the retest they did, this was their retest for days. That's why I usually tell traders, buy trade yako hapa, leave it, just buy. You got a very nice entry here, but you can't be patient at all. You are shaking, you're doubting your setup and everything. Sijui nani who is selling, who is buying, who is doing what with 15 minutes. Leave people's setup alone. You are the only one who knows why you placed a buy on this area or you did a certain thing. So you had your buy around here. You had Siju who said this is going to be a double top. You ukakuwa confused. So this is what is going to happen. You had your trade around here. So you doubted it. And then ukafunga. A very nice buy. Look at the way the market will never give you a chance to go back. So tutaanza, utakuwa huku hivi katikati huku at the center, you're just looking for trades, and then the market pull back down because they are hunting. They pull the market down around here, then they push it back, and then they are messing with your money, right? Sawa. So tumetoka na huku, and then this is good. This strategy is 100% sure bet. Mimi, I just analyze and I leave the market to do whatever it's supposed to do, but it's usually play out my way. I'll leave this setup here, and then we're gonna review them in a week or so. I'm gonna post all these setups for weekly, which I've done for Forex. I'm gonna post them on Madam Forex, and then in a few weeks, let me say weeks, because about me, I'm not one of those doing scalping in the market. Then I'm going to update. No, I haven't said it's a good time to update to trade or anything. I'm just giving what is happening, right? So we go to the next pair, AUDUSD. I do this one for AUDUSD. And then let me ask you, have you ever known that this is AUDUSD, right? This is AUDUSD. I want to show you something. This is AUDUSD. And that's why I usually argue with people and tell them Forex is not political or economical. Anyhow, let me show you something. I want to clear something here still. Sorry about that. Here. This is AUDUSD. I want you to see the chart of AUDUSD. Just master it. You see the AUDUSD venye inakaa? You see? You see the way inakaa? Now, this is Australia versus the dollar. Good. 2. Usiseme sija change chart. This is New Zealand USD. Are this chart the same? Like AUDUSD, that is AUDUSD. This is New Zealand USD. That's why I do not usually keep following up on news za Forex. Kwa sababu I don't get how New Zealand is related to Australia USD economically and politically to make their chart a copy paste it. Because they do not even struggle. They do not even struggle to change it. This is New Zealand USD. And this is AUDUSD, the same chart. So, but New Zealand USD follows New Zealand USD. Now, AUDUSD is followed by Audi GPY. It's followed by Audi CAD. It's followed by Audi Chef, and it's followed also by New Zealand USD and New Zealand GPY. They follow AUDUSD, and if AUDUSD is going on by this fast, that can only mean Euro Audi. No. Yes, Euro Audi and Pound Audi are supposed to be on a very big sell at the moment. If AUDUSD is going this fast, haraka juu, that's mean AUDUSD itaendelea kwenda juu. Euro Audi na Pound Audi, let me see kidogo. They're supposed to be on sale. Pound Audi, yes. As I said, look. This is a Pound Audi, Euro Audi. It's on sale. You can see. And Pound Audi. Yes, Pound Audi is supposed to be on sale also. Still, Pound Audi imeanza kushuka. But haina momentum hivyo because the reason they are not dropping that much because AUDUSD has strength, Euro has strength, and Pound has strength. And the crazy part is that Euro Audi and Pound Audi, they go opposite direction from AUDUSD. So it's just inaregea hapo. Now we go to the mwenye mmegojea hapa. Nani sijafanya analysis? It was gold. 1 minute. Nataka ni venye nifanye. I'm doing iende haraka so that I can do even volatility. Sitaki kutoka hapa kazi sijafanyia wasi wa volatility. At least hata kama ni analysis tu kidogo. Gold first of all imenichanganya, but let me do my analysis and then you people will be the judge of if we're supposed to buy or sell. I'm going to gold. Tunafanya analysis ya gold. Saa hizi. Analysis ya gold. So let me do gold. Now gold on monthly inakaa hivi. Hii ni chart yetu ya gold. Kuanzia 2000 gold has been going up. That is gold. Now, let me show you something. First of all, gold was going on a channel. I know a lot of traders do not see this, but let me show you the channel. Kwenye iko, you draw on the lower side. Inakuwa hivyo. You see? Let me fix here. This one has to be perfect. It has to be good. Sitaki kate anything. Hivyo. And then this one iko hivyo. And then because our market is forming on the upper side and then heavy, we had our market inaenda hivi. we place it hapo juu. Unaona market ili break ikafanya mpaka retest. This market was supposed to go this distance on the upper side. Let me show you kwenye gold inafaa ifike. Na hii ni monthly. Hii ni monthly inanionyesha kwenye gold inafaa ifike. I'm gonna measure our bullish channel like that. I do not usually use indicators. This is I trade very simple. That's why it's so easy for me to show kenye nafanya. This distance yenye distance tunafaa tukave on the upper side. Ona. Gold haijaifika. Gold inafaa ifike hadi hapa. Hapa. Wali break ile channel. You see this channel? The lower side hapa, side ya juu. Waka break na wakafanya retest. We measure the distance of the flag. Not the flag, the channel, this one, the distance the market is supposed to go. So to me, gold is still on a buy because you're supposed to come up to almost that. This is 37.18. That is why you are supposed to come up to around up or 37 something. So that is on monthly. We go to weekly. Weekly inakaa hivyo. Now weekly yake sielewi. I have nothing to draw on weekly, like for real. Sina anything ya kuchora on hiyo soko weekly. I'm sorry. Okay. Dani, ebu ambia mama I'm calling her back. Ananipigia. Mwambie niko live au call her back in a few. Ambia mama na ajua naona ananicall. Ambia mama namcall in a few. Now, this is what we have on I do not have anything to draw on weekly, to be really sincere. I have nothing to draw on weekly. Like that one for me, I have nothing to draw. I can't see anything I can draw on weekly. But on day, I have something I can draw. Now, the reason why I do not want to touch this trade so much is because we have this, and I don't want to ignore. We have an inverted head and shoulder along this area. We have the shoulder here. The head. Now, I have a feeling this market can come up to this area and then go back up. Or still, hey, let me just draw it. Happen. This is our shoulder. There. The market is supposed to come here and form the next shoulder because of here. Then here. Then you have the head, which is here down, right? We have this. So we have an inverted head and shoulder on gold on daytime frame. This is the shoulder. This is the head. This is the head up to here. This is the that's up to there. Are we okay up to there? But still, the same market. Because me I'm confused. That's why I haven't given any trade on this. I'll draw a line from the highest to our second. Our highest, hata ukichora hivi. Hizi vitu zinakaa kazi nataka kuingiana zote. Sielewi. Juu trader mwingine, arguing like a trader, another trader. To me, this is a bullish wedge. Why? Market imetoka side ya chini ikaingia kwa wedge, waka break wakafanya mpaka retest, and these people are very cunning. They came back to exactly penye wanajua watu wameingililia trade. So I do not know if we are supposed to come to the inverted head and shoulder here, or our market is still having. Now, let me show you the crazy part about this this wedge we have, this bullish wedge we have. Let's measure it. You know, when you measure the bullish wedge kutoka hapa hadi hapa, si ndivyo? Bullish wedge yetu ni hapo. We measure this bullish wedge and we bring it on the upper side like that. It's going almost kwenye market inafaa ifike 37.18. So I swear to God, I swear to God, I'm not so sure about gold at all. Because two possibility can happen. Market movers, they can either kill the buyers or they destroy the sellers at that zone. Yenye soko iko saizi. Even if we go to 4 hours, kidogo I show you something else I've seen with 4 hours. Let me show you something I've noticed with 4 hours. I saw this one. My students showed me today. Kuna student wangu alinionyesha leo and I was like, Jesus! With 4 hours on a shoulder, head, neckline. Hii market haiwezi fanya 4 hours head and shoulder hapa. Kadogo. Shoulder, head. Ikuja hadi hapa, then the market goes down. I'm not sure. I swear, it has so many patterns inside. It just consolidated in one area, but it has all kind of patterns, and I can't ignore anything. I ignore anything, they will mess me up big time. Because about me, I don't use that stop loss. Whichever side I'm gonna settle for, I'm settled. Like, I'm there. Yes? Do you set levels usually play out like easy distance in yellow? You want to see places, you measure distance X. Ama, what are you asking? What are you asking? I don't get Nini. So in gold, I am off. In gold, I am not sure where we are going to. That one is, for me, shaky. Those are too much setup. You have a inverted head and shoulder, which shows a sell. We have a bullish wedge, inaonyesha buy. Then in 4 hours, we have a head and shoulder ingine imesimama. That is quite a confusion for me. So I do not know what I can't settle for anything. The best thing I usually do is just enjoy the ride. I just watch the trades, and as I expected to go up to that 37. That one is for sure. It's gonna go up to 37. But the kind of behavior it's having on this area, I can't really trade it. So I'm just going to watch it, and yes, I have nothing. I can't tell someone to buy or sell on this area when it comes to gold. Eco plays too complicated, and I've explained why. I've said on weekly, we have nothing. On day time frame, we have an inverted head and shoulder, and still we have a bullish wedge. So our inverted head and shoulder inaonyesha sell, and our bullish wedge shows a buy, where I do not know. We are in a very risky position, because our inverted head and shoulder, meaning our inverted head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder, our inverted head and shoulder, this is the shoulder, this is the head. So I do not know if you're going to come up to this area, then go back up. I'm not so sure. But if that happened, well and good. I really hope they play along with the inverted head and shoulder, man, watupe pesa. I really love gold, especially right now. I need a lot of cash. I really love gold. So I really, naomba tu wacheze na inverted head and shoulder. That one I can risk when it comes to buying, because we are on a long-term buy. And yeah, so I'll wait and see. I'll just wait and see on this one. When it's confirmed, when I feel like I have a confirmation of something I can place, I'll give the trade. But for now, I can't really tell if it's a buy or it's a sell, because it has two different patterns. One showing a buy, the other showing a sell, and none of them, kwa forex trader, we can't say hii ndio pattern iko right, hii ndio iko wrong. These people are not stupid placing it there. They are trapping someone. Someone here is going to lose a lot of money. So if you're not sure about, even not trading is still trading. You staying aside, away from the market, just looking at trades until you're clear about the direction, is still trading. A lot of traders do not know that. You staying aside and waiting for the market to give you a clear direction, because sababu, let me tell you, you do not, traders you fully know, someone who have ever placed trades, do not even sleep well. When I place gold, you're having stress, every now and then. Now, that is it for Forex. I'm already late with 6 minutes when it comes to volatility. So let me go back to volatility. Let me first explain trade yenye nilipeana. There's someone who told me, can you explain why you gave step 400 trade sell? Trading analysis kufanya ni rahisi. Let me just show you. This is a trade I gave. Step 400. Inashuka to what I can see. Inashuka tu vizuri. It's going nicely. We have a long way to go. We are not even halfway. Market ya kushuka. This is another account. We are not even halfway the way market is supposed to drop. Yeah? So let me just show you. Let me just show you something. So this is the riv. Nataka kutoa trading history hizo nenye za kutrade zote. This is a step 400. Now, step 400, we're going to start from weekly, because on monthly, step 400 is a new pair in deriv. Haijakaa sana. Kuanzia November 2024, it's still new in the market, right? That's why it's paying nicely. The more itakaa, the more itaacha kulipa vizuri. Na saizi ina move. It's really moving. So we're gonna go to weekly. Weekly inakaa hivyo. Our market went down, up, down, up, down, up. Iko down at the moment. Now, this one I'm gonna draw a channel hapa. Now, market yetu ina form side ya chini. Siwezi eka dots za tatu side ya chini. Hata kama utatoka umeshika vitu mingi, jua kuchora channel kwa Forex bana. Acheni kuchora channels na trend lines. Choreni channels na inaitangwa equidistance in Forex, right? So even if I draw that, you can see. So we come to day time frame. That was on weekly. That is step 400 on weekly. We come to day time frame. Now I want to adjust this one because imekata hapa. Naona? Imekata hapa. On day time frame, I want to put it nicely hapo juu. Now, what can you observe? Kutoka juu, kukuja hapa. What is this? From the upper side to this. This is a bearish flag. Now, this is why I insisted people should learn patterns. You can never trade Forex if you don't know patterns. Volatility, Forex, you can never ever succeed in this game if you do not know patterns, because market move in form of patterns. Achana indicators na robots. Those are waste of your time, waste of your money. Learn kuchora hizi vitu. Tuko pamoja? Now, let me fix this one. And then I fix it hapa juu. And then here. Now, what do we have? We have a market which has a bearish what? And then weke hapa. Our upper side imeguza position 1, 2, and then you can see. And this dot moja imekuja ikaguza hapa, right? It has touched this lower side. You can notice our market went up, did a retest. That market is supposed to drop down. Here it is. Let me show you. You can't measure distance. You measure distant X. We have originated from the upper side. This is a flag. Measure distant X. Simple. Could trade you people make it so complicated? It's easy. Measure distant X like that. Oh my, why is this inanisumbua? Measure distant X. Hivo. Hiyo ndio distant X, right? Because our market originated from the upper side. This is a bearish flag. Let me draw a bearish flag for people who don't know what a bearish flag looks like or what we are talking about right now. A bearish flag looks like this. I want somewhere I can draw. A bearish flag, this. What we call a bearish flag in Forex is this. Our market originates on the upper side. It drops, then enter to something like this. Inachezea hapa ndani, like that. Then breaks the lower side. This is what we call a bearish flag. A market originated from the upper side like that, consolidated like that. Measure distant X from here up to here. Simple. Measure distant X. We go back to our chart. Where is it? Go back to our chart. Distant X here. Measure distant X here. So our market is supposed to hold that swing trade up to here. Let me now show you how easy it is to make money without you being kuingia soko kitokanga. I have a trade here, right? You see, I have a trade there. Our market is supposed to drop distant X, which is here. All right? Supposed to drop up to here, distant X. I drag it down. I want you to see the amount of money that trade is going to give. This is a lower account by the way. Let me show you. You see that distant X, and it's a short trade. That is 101 short trade. You see that trade? I want you to see the profit is going to make. It's going to pay me 3,000 in 30, like 3,000 USD. And I'm just going to hold it there. I'm not going to close it. And I'm going to wait. And it's simple as that. You have a bearish flag, you get your entry, and then you wait. Hold your trade. Don't follow up people what they are doing. That is their own thing. That is a bearish flag. That is a short trade. That is a sell. Now we go to the next trade. Zenye nimepeana, nimeambiwa one. Na explain trades zenye zote nimepeana. And then I can't see messages, text on this phone. Ni kama ilihang. So I do not know kama bado niko visible kidogo. Why is it? I want to show you V90 on S, where I'm holding it. And I'm going to draw something very simple. V100 1S is as simple as ABCD. And this is on, let me go to weekly because it's a new chart. But on weekly, we have nothing to draw. Like literally, we do not have anything to draw. But we can have something to draw. Let me show you. We're going to draw the resistance. Hapa. Our market consolidated around this area. So we're going to have there. Then we're going to have a trend line from the lowest position to our second. And this is on weekly. And then we're going to, this is a bearish wedge. We come into daytime frame here like this. Oh no. Let me. Here. Our market originated on the upper side, consolidated here. This is a bearish wedge. This one. They did a retest, you can see, on daytime frame. That market is supposed to proceed down. Now, it's supposed to measure distant X. This is on daytime frame. Here, measure distant X. Nini nyingine mnataka kuonyeshwa ati mtu? Hakuna magic tunafanyanga. We do simple things kama hizi. That is the distance our market is supposed to drop. Here. It's supposed to drop up to hapa. 1943. That one. Now, we go to 12 hours. Ina consolidate hapa. Wacha nikuonyeshe. Hata hapa penye wana consolidate. If you draw a line like this, ona. Wamekuja wameform ka bearish flag. Ka bearish wedge kengine. This is our lowest, this is our second. And that is on 12 hours. You measure that distance hata pia kama distant X. Hivi. Kuja ilete side ya chini. It's equally ile distance hii market inafaa ikave hapa. Is the same distance ya hii. Na nimechoka, nimeenda. Yeah, I'm tired. Hey, wachani niende. I'm tired. I think nimeongea haraka. That is a bearish. That is a bearish flag. And kuchora, it's as easy as that. You crack that, you crack everything. You crack patterns. And I will ever insist. Because sababu I do not know ni nini ingine nitaiwaambia. Ukijua patterns vizuri. Nani kujua kuzitrade. Watu wengine mnajua kuzisema. But when it comes to showing and how they are traded, that is where the issue come in. Alright? So, I will do Deniza Delive. Kesho I'm not going anywhere. I can do a live video jioni. From around, I can do the whole of Delive kwanzia. Kesho, I can do a live video from around 7, yeah. From 7. tomorrow I can do a live video ya kufanya analysis. Saizi it's a bit late. I need to sleep. I needed just a small. I can do a live video tomorrow from from 7 up to 9. That one I can do all analysis for the live. Right? So Forex we have agreed. Pound USD is on Pound USD, Euro USD, AUDUSD they are on buy because you have seen dollar index is on sell, and that's it's up. I'll send the setup hizo za Forex zote nitatuma. Trades zenye zote tuko nazo, which trade inanisumbua akili hapa. Nimefanya analysis karibu zote. I can't see your messages. Nini yangu imehang. I don't know kwa nini simu yangu imehang. Let me try and use wacha nione kidogo. My video was hanging. So sijui kama saizi mnaniona. I can't see any comment past msi kuna jina ngumu ya kusoma. I can't see messages past hapo. And then let me show you kidogo. Mtu yote ame hold bado, endelea hold jump 25. That one is a short trade. It has a double top. Let me show you. And let me even show you how I make my entries most of the time. I have different entries. This is a double top. The market is supposed to come up to the neckline. This is jump 25. Hii account hata nimetrade na lot kidogo sana. Nimeweka 0.10. But 0.10 inalipa 1000 USD. Let me tell you. And I insist. Get the skills. Forex iko na pesa. Get easy skills za kuchora hivi. Like you can know how to make entries. You know how to look at patterns. You know everything. I insist. Go learn patterns. Si hata kwangu. Just go look at those patterns. Jua venye zina trade. That is the only thing I will ever stay in Forex. Because everything we draw, be it Euro USD, be everything end up to the same circle pattern. They have to have formed something. Even hata wacha nikwambie, you know Euro USD goes opposite direction with the USD chef. Let me show you what is happening with USD chef. USD chef has a bearish. Let me show you. This is a USD chef. Inakaa hivyo. The market originated from the upper side, consolidated here. Let me show you. We're gonna draw this. And then I bring this one on the lower side. Either you can touch here. It's not a problem. Because it hasn't broken any body here. From here to here, here. Because the body are still, the body are inside. The market hasn't broken. A week is not a breakout in Forex. And here, and here, and here. Look at the market. The market went down, did a retest. Then it's supposed to go. So USD chef also is supposed to drop this one. That's confirm more and more and more and more that dollar index will go down. And zikiwa pamoja na USD chef. And the dollar itself, all over the market, is going to lose strength. And yes, it's supposed to come up to this level. Why? This is a bearish flag. Originated from the upper side. This is a flag, retest. The market is supposed to go down. And that's it. Hakunanga any... There's hakuna magic mse yoyote anafanya huko. There is no magic which is happening there. It's just pure drawing, and it's something you can do with 2 minutes. I don't get how people wishing that the whole day you're looking at the chart. Utaboeka, you're gonna hit Forex. You're gonna even hit. So that's it for today. Oh God, I have nothing more to add. Nafani add nini? I can't see your comments. I don't know what is happening to my name. And ukiva Forex. Derive inakuanga walkover because derive is pure technical analysis. And stop using indicators. Those are rubbish. Stop using bots. Mtai grow lini. What is wrong with you guys? Stop. Bot only work for the owner. I do not know when I will tell you that for a million times. The person who is selling you bot, if you check their accounts, they usually have more than 10,000 USD in that account or more, because they know. There's a way bots are usually adjust when there is news, or when you see the market has changed the pattern, because those people still analyze the market. There's a way they update, their way they twist those bots. That's why they work for them. You don't know how to trade. Buy a bot, yeah, 100K, 1,000 USD. That bot won't work for you. That bot won't work for you. And hear me out, and I repeat again. That bot won't, hata ubuy bot inakaje, if your account is not big. Sababu the people have seen one when alikuwa na bot, and it's a way time back. It was a guy called Jean. That guy had a big, alikuwa na account in operate na bot, but the account itself had more than 40 million. And that account wasn't really his, like really, like ilikuwa he had the logins for the account, which has the bot, and then wanatumia na watu wengine, so they are just showing clients. So wewe utakuja uonyeshwe account, this is the account, this is the bot we are using, inakaa hivi. The forex pendangi kuongelelea watu wa forex sana, ati this is a bot inatufanyia hivi, and those logins are not even his account. So he has shown you the account, the way it's performing. It's not even one account, they have different accounts to show you. Oh, niliwekea huyu client, niliwekea. See, ni wenyewe wamesha tu my logins. So they're gonna sell them at around 200K, 100K. My friend, can you people learn kujitradia manually? Because this one is easy. You are usually at peace, you're usually able to hold trades. You're usually able to kwenda na market venye inafaa iende. And then sasa account akikuzia bot, wewe unachukua bot, unamlipa 100K. Unakuja unaweka pesa zako. Let me tell you, italimwa. Juu hata ujui ku adjust your bot venye inafaa adjust, wewe sijui kukihappen nini. Ambieni watu wa bot waambie ukweli. Like literally msi wa bot mwenye tai waambia, but hawezi waambie ukweli. They can never until you meet those, there are people who will tell you the truth. But they work for them. Two, I do not know. Kuna swali najibu maswali before niende. Kuna maswali nimekuwa nimeuliza. I do not do derive zile venye mnafanyanga za odds. Sijui weke, sijui odds. Please. I do not do those. Ati sijui una turn na flip, sijui ni. My friend, sijui unaekelea wapi within minutes. I saw that on a certain guy TikTok also. But I do not, sijaiji. Sitakangi kuji-involve na vitu watu wanafanya. Technical analysis for me work very nicely. And hatusumbuanangi. I don't use any indicators. Ni pure kuchora. And then nime learn kenye nafaa nijue. So, nikate. So, sorry. There's someone calling me now. I'll call him in a few. So, it's pure pure technical analysis, and it's good. Learn, even if huwezi lipa mtu. Kwa hiyo mnasema, because I'm getting a lot of people like that, we can't pay for. The best advice I will tell you, and I will repeat again before I go. Learn patterns when zina trade forex. Learn head and shoulder. Learn Quasimodo. Learn double top. Bullish, bearish flag. Nini ingine? Cup and handle. Learn bullish wedge, bullish and bearish wedge. Learn channels. Learn they should be here. That's why unaona mimi when it comes to drawing, I'm drawing with minutes and then I'm done. I can predict when the market itaenda and it's easy as that. Literally, it's easy as that. Even leo mse angetaka kuingia USD chef, angeingia haraka. Kwa nini? USD chef, acha nionyeshe USD chef na daytime frame. Let me just show you. USD chef na daytime frame, ona. Iko na cup and handle. Sasa ikibreak na body, si unaona amebreak na body side ya chini. Hiyo market inafaa proceed kwenda chini. Kwa nini? Market iko na cup na handle. Na hiyo ni day. Those are free trades. Those are free money in forex. So it's not hard Forex si ngumu, Forex si kizungu mingi, Forex si vocabulary. Hakunanga ati sijui demand and supply, sijui nani ana demand huku na nani ana supply. Sisi wote ni traders huku. So you don't know how to trade venye reduce risks zako. When you know how to trade, unakuanga umeachanga uoga ya kuhold trades. You are able to control yourself mentally. Kwa kichwa, you are able to control yourself psychologically when you're holding trades. You're not scared of holding trades. Alright? So that's it for today. Wacheni niende nikalale. Yes. And it was nice seeing you. Share and like. And invite mabeshto wako kwa mtu yote unajua anataka kulearn Forex. I'll come here do analysis bado kesho. Kuna wase wananiambia nifanye ile ya kufunza. Pia nitakuja. I'll come. But already I have a lot of videos I think on my page. Zenye nilikuwa nafunza double top, double bottom. Zimejaa hapo. Kuchora ni rahisi. Ukishika patterns, kuchora soko inakuanga tu rahisi. That's it for tonight. Thank you. Like and share with your friends and anyone when you unaona hii page inaweza msaidia agroishe nini yake ya Forex. Just share na yeye. Have a lovely night and thank you for joining mko wase wengi. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate. And mulale poa and take care. See you tomorrow jioni. Around, let me say around 7:30, but I'll update. Tomorrow I'm not going anywhere, so I'll update 7:30. By around hapo nita-update, nitaanza around 7:20. Nifanyie watu wa deliver justice, watu wa volatility, because I haven't done volatility ya kutosha. See you tomorrow and have a lovely night. Bye.